What's up, fam? How much money have you spent on Amazon this year?
Yikes.
Well, did you know Amazon could be paying you? This is a real check that I got from Audible, owned by Amazon. That's right, Amazon pays me several ways, and I'm about to put you onto this game. So if you want to make money from Amazon instead of always spending your money, then this is the video for you, because I'm gonna let you know some ways that you can earn money from Amazon like I do, including a couple of ways that I earn a passive income for work that I did years ago. And you're going to want to watch all the way through, because I'm going to be revealing which of these Amazon side hustles pays me the most. Now remember, this channel is US based, but this particular video will also be revealing some ways that you can make money from Amazon worldwide. So if Amazon is in your country, then this video is for you. Since I'm going to be helping you make some money, all I ask is for a little favor. Hit the algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you want money-making content. Okay? They keep hiding me in this algorithm. So do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new here, make sure you turn on your notifications and let me know in the comments that you have subscribed. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into these 6 surprising Amazon side hustle ideas to earn money online. Let's go. A lot of us are paying Amazon monthly for memberships, but let me give you the tea. There are ways to get free and discounted Amazon memberships. Just check the description. I hooked you up, okay? Oh yeah, and if you're on mobile, click the more button underneath this video and it'll expand the description box. If you don't know how to find it, you might want to watch a tutorial on YouTube, because this ain't it. Let's get into these 6 surprising Amazon side hustle ideas to earn money online. Make sure you got that notepad out and you are taking notes. The first option is Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as MTurk. This is one of the lesser known options on Amazon to earn money. It allows you to earn money online for doing various tasks. So basically, if you want to earn money on Amazon, you can do this 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Amazon Mechanical Turk lists a bunch of side gigs that you can do on this one platform. So some of the options include testing websites, data entry, transcription, market research surveys, and so much more. Okay, I know you're probably like, okay, Nikki, how much can I make from this? Well, as a beginner, you can expect to earn somewhere around $6 per task. And of course, it'll depend on the type of task, the length of the task. Like, of course, the more difficult tasks are going to pay more money. And the way that you get paid is either through direct deposit, or for you gift card lovers, Amazon gift cards, of course, right? Me personally, I'll take the money, but you can take the Amazon gift card if you want. But in order to qualify for MTurk, you will have to be age 18 or above, and you have to have valid ID. Now let's keep it real. You are not going to get rich from MTurk, but this is a great way to bring in some extra money, especially when you have certain bills that you need to pay, or if you're saving up for something special like a vacation, or if you want some extra money to play with or save. Now, when it comes to signing up for MTurk, it's free to sign up. Just know that they're going to check to make sure that you are a legit person, that you're valid. So it can take up to a few days. Now, when I signed up, I was in within 24 hours. So I don't know if that will go for everybody, but that was my turnaround time. So if you're interested in MTurk, check the description down below, because I have the link for you to sign up. Option number 2, Audiobook Creation Exchange, otherwise known as ACX. Now, if you've been following me, you know I love me some ACX. I have used ACX and have been using it for years. And you're probably wondering, like, what the hell are you talking about? What is ACX? ACX is a way that you can earn money by reading audiobooks. So you read these books, you record them, and then they put them out as audiobooks on the Amazon platforms, which include Audible, iTunes as well. And of course, it'll be listed on Amazon. ACX is hands down one of my favorite options for passive income, because for those of you that don't know, back in 2020, I auditioned for an audiobook. I had no experience. And on my first try, I landed my audition, and the author ended up liking my voice so much that she ended up giving me a total of 5 audiobook narration contracts. Boom! This is one of the checks that I got from Audible. I get these checks every single month. Most of the time I get direct deposit, but I recently switched to bank account, so they started sending me physical checks for a bit. So yeah, I get paid every month from Audible. So if anybody knows about ACX and audiobook narration, it's your girl. One of the things that I love about ACX is every day they have thousands of titles that you can audition for. And the audiobooks that they have available range drastically. It can be anything from children's books to poetry to thrillers to romance. They have all kinds of books. So if you are interested in any type of category for audiobook narration, then you will be able to find it. For each audiobook that I did, I get paid for 7 years from the time that audiobook was released. So the first book that I recorded back in 2020, Little Red Rider and Urban Fairy Tale, book 3, I still earn money from each sale of that book. So I get 20% of each sale. And there are ways of getting bonuses as well. But for that one book that I recorded in 2020, I'm going to be getting paid royalties from that until 2027. Once those books are out, they are out. I earn those royalties for the 7 years. Now, I know a lot of people are interested in becoming audiobook narrators, but they don't know where to start. They don't know how the heck to do it. They need some tips. And I'm going to be 100% honest. When it comes to producing an audiobook and you don't know what you're doing, it can be really stressful and a pain. That's why I have my course by request from my audience. It's called the Audiobook Blueprint. So if you are interested in the Audiobook Blueprint, that's been helping a lot of people that are beginners and have no experience with audiobook narration, get the strategies A to Z that I have learned, everything from editing to selling the most books, and you get the opportunity to meet with me one-on-one for coaching, and it's lifetime access. So if you are interested in joining the Audiobook Blueprint, I've connected it to this video down below, and I've also linked it in the description. And for those of you that need to stretch out those payments, I have a payment plan as well. Now, on to number 3, which is Fulfilled by Amazon, also known as FBA. So FBA allows you to be a seller on Amazon, but you don't have to keep the products in your home or rent out a space for you to be able to sell those products, because what Amazon will do is they will provide a drop shipping service for you. So if you want to send your products to Amazon for them to ship off and do the customer service and basically handle all the annoying stuff, then you can do that through FBA. So if you are interested in making money through FBA, I'm going to help you out and give you some options of some products that do particularly well when it comes to FBA. So the first thing is housewares and kitchen items. Your girl loves to cook, okay? I got no friends. I have nobody to share it with. It's just me and my daughter. But I love to cook. I have a bunch of appliances. Anytime people see my kitchen, they're like, wait, why do you have so many appliances? Because I'm an appliance addict. I'm going to tell you, I bought so many appliances from Amazon myself that I know that these things do well. Another category that does well on Amazon FBA is electronics. We're talking laptops, cameras, things that I have bought on Amazon. And one more thing that does well on Amazon FBA would be video games. Video games are never going out of style. I'm guilty of buying Just Dance every single year. You know, I ain't got no friends, so I just stay in the house and dance all the time if I'm not recording videos or creating content. Now, when you sell items through Amazon FBA, there's nothing else you need to do when it comes to getting paid. Like, you don't have to submit an invoice or anything crazy like that. No. They will pay you automatically from the sale of that product. Now I'm going to link Amazon FBA down below. And if you do sign up, they do have some incentives for new sellers, which include free advertising, free storage, and free returns. So some of the incentives may come and go, but those are just some of the ones that they typically offer. So you might want to take advantage of that if you do sign up for Amazon FBA. But once again, Amazon FBA will be linked below so you can do further research. Okay, so option number 4 is one that is never talked about. I don't think I've ever heard this one talked about. It's called Amazon Handmade. This is for you creative people out there that want to sell your own products that you have created. So this can be anything from art to jewelry, all kinds of things that are actually handmade. So basically, this is a new twist on Amazon FBA, because you still send the items to Amazon, they will pack it and they will ship it and they will handle the customer service and they will do all that hard work for you. Now, there's no cost to use this service, but Amazon will take 15% of the sale price, okay? So if you sell something for $100, you're going to earn $85 and Amazon will earn the $15. If you get what I'm saying, okay? We got the math right. And FYI, if you want to know how you get paid, you get your money through direct deposit. So for you creative people out there, I have linked Amazon Handmade down below. Option number 5, Amazon affiliates or being an Amazon influencer. Hands down, this is the most fun way that I make money on Amazon. Let me break it down for you guys. When you join Amazon affiliates, you're selling other people's products. Pop quiz. Let's see who's been watching my channel. What is it called when you earn a commission for referring people to products and services? Affiliate marketing. If you've been watching my channel, you know I talk a lot about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways of making money because, again, you get to refer people to products and services that other people have, right? So, for example, pretty much any YouTuber you watch, a lot of us are connected with affiliate programs. So whether it's Amazon or a Target program, a lot of times when we mention products, we tell you the link is in the description. A lot of times that link is an affiliate link so that we can earn a portion of that sale for ourselves. That's how we keep our channels going. So hint, hint, hint. If you are somebody that's interested in anything that I mentioned on this channel, please do your girl that solid and use my links down below. I do mention in the description that links are a lot of times affiliate links. But the best part about affiliate marketing is the fact that it is a passive income. So once these links are out there, I don't have to do anything else. Okay, so think about it. My videos are going on and on for however long until I take the video down or whatever, right? So anybody can go at any time of the day or night, anywhere in the world, a lot of times, click those links, purchase a product, and sometimes you don't even have to make a purchase because y'all know I do a lot of things with apps. A lot of the apps are free. You don't have to make a purchase, but I can still earn a commission from it. So that is why this Amazon side hustle is the one that earns me the most money, but I'm not done yet. So how do you make money with Amazon affiliates? I'm going to tell you how I do it. So I have these links on my YouTube channel. I have them on my blog, NikkiConnected.com. I put them on my social media, posting on my Amazon storefront, and live streams. Now, I want to take the temperature in the room. How many of y'all knew that Amazon has live streams where creators go live and we sell products live all around the world? Okay, let me know in the comments how many of you guys have actually watched a live. So I do live streams, and I'm going to let you know it was either my first or second live stream on Amazon. It was only about maybe an hour and a half because normally I try to stay in that hour and a half range for my live streams. But that one live stream earned me $100. Okay, so like I said, it was an hour to hour and a half. So it's like somewhere around $100 an hour that I was earning just for talking about products that I already had in my house or products that I found for sale on Amazon. So whenever I go live on Amazon, I can look forward to earning a nice chunk of change, even as somebody that is not consistent on Amazon Lives. And on that note, I encourage you to actually watch one of my live streams and come visit my storefront. You can follow me over there on Amazon. So I'm going to link it down below so that you can follow me so you can see these live streams and everything. And when you go to my page, you can see my past live streams. But here's the tea when it comes to being an Amazon influencer or joining the affiliate program. You can make significantly more money than a lot of other affiliate programs, even though Amazon is known for paying a smaller percentage than a lot of programs, because Amazon shoppers are all over the world. My second largest group of purchasers are people in Canada, okay? Even though I'm here in the US. So thank you to my Canadian friends. But if you're interested in signing up for the Amazon affiliate program, I will link it down below. Just know that Amazon does want you to have a following if you are going to be an influencer. I got in by my blog, NikkiConnected.com. Plus I had YouTube, even though my YouTube channel was much smaller at the time. But it's helpful to have a following if you're going to join as an Amazon influencer. But the Amazon affiliate program is open to even more people, and that's where you just get the links and you don't necessarily go live. Like, you don't have that opportunity to go live at that point. But if you do switch over to being an influencer, that's when you can go live if you follow what I said. And FYI, if you need a more in-depth explanation of affiliate marketing and how you can create a blog in order to sell with affiliate marketing and even get tips on how to succeed on Amazon as an influencer or affiliate, then you definitely want to check out my affiliate marketing masterclass. You get lifetime access to this mini course, and I do update that as well. So I will link the affiliate marketing masterclass down below. Now let's move on to this 6th surprising Amazon side hustle to earn money online, and that is through Kindle Direct Publishing. That is KDP. This is another thing that I do, and I get monthly direct deposits through Amazon KDP for books that I created digitally that Amazon will print up, they'll pack it, they'll ship it, they'll handle any customer service, and all I did was create something digitally. And there's no out-of-pocket cost because Amazon would just take a cut from the sale. And this platform is free to use, okay? You could upload as many books as you want. You could sell as many books as you want. This has endless income potential, and it's a passive income at that, because once you list these books through KDP, they live on Amazon forever, okay? Unless you do something wrong and Amazon takes it down, but that's a different story, okay? That's on you. Now, there are a couple of ways that I earn money using Amazon KDP, and one is by PLR, so that's private label rights. This is where you can buy the rights to books to be able to sell as if you're the one that created them. Now, there is a website that I use. I will link it down below, PLR Products. You can buy a book for really cheap, change the book cover, and then just sell it on Amazon as if you made that entire book. Now, if you're not familiar with PLR books, I highly suggest that after you watch this video, you check out this video where I outline the process of selling and changing PLR books to be able to sell them on Amazon. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you did get value out of it, please let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, we're not going to stop here. I want to hear from you guys in the comments. Which of these options seems to resonate with you the most? Do you have a talent or a desire or a skill that you feel like would fit more with one of these options versus another? Or if you're just interested in just trying something new, which of these options seems like it will work out best for you? I want to know. Let's discuss it in the comments, y'all. But I know in this video, I hit a lot of you with something new that you don't know much about, especially when it comes to that KDP, that Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can create those books through Amazon. If you're interested in that, watch this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.